Early bird registration is now open for the much anticipated second round of the JRA Mastermind Group presented by the $10 million man, Sam Schick. You have until Monday, February 7th to take advantage of this special early bird pricing. On Tuesday the 8th, the bird flies away and the price goes up. Register today for the JRA Mastermind Group with Sam Schick, who built his junk removal business to 100 employees, 25 trucks, and $10 million per year. You're going to talk about hiring, HR, marketing, sales, key metrics or KPIs, managing growth, additional revenue streams, and even more. Sam's going to be giving you valuable information that's going to help you grow your business immediately, right now. You'll also learn from the other members of the group who are going through the same struggles and successes as you. You'll have the opportunity to share your specific issues and get concrete solutions from Sam and the rest of the group.
I know a guy that's worth $300 million, and he goes, don't reinvent the wheel, which is great about JRA because you're not reinventing the wheel. For years, I was like, oh, that doesn't work, this doesn't work, and it cost me money. Lee talks about how they wasted $300,000 on AdWords. And so here's a guy that's been through the trenches. My buddy that's worth $300 million said, find what works, duplicate it. Well, here's Sam. Sam built this $10 million franchise, and to be able to have him at a phone call or a text, to meet with them and a group of other business owners once a month on a Zoom call and get that feedback from other people. And Sam, if there was one thing that I could take, if they're like, hey, you could only have one thing from JRA, like one thing, what would it be? To be in that mastermind group. I mean, like, I was the first guy to sign up for that. I mean, if you're not jumping on that and the other services JRA has, you're just struggling as a business owner in this industry.
There are limited spots available, and the first group, get this, it's sold out in 3 days. So you don't want to wait. You want to sign up and reserve your spot today. For more information and to register, click the link in the description, and we'll see you in the group.